The government doesn't care. Sometimes ije mbadika ida mobo n'ime Kogi State iso Igbo mobisa anyị shavurugo na-asịgo ome Igbo ya bụ onye Igbo bụ Igbo n'ibugo onye nwanne ihe. So anyị ga-abido eme ọtụtụ ihe. We have faced a lot of challenges ranging from language marginalization. Anyị nwere ike ije na mmemme maọbụ nrikọ nke ndị Kogi State maọbụ ebe ndị gara na-eme ihe maka na ha tụ ndị asụ ha na ngụ ha na-asụ. We don't hear Igala, we are not Igala. But we found ourselves in an Igbo community that during the creation of states, we were included in Kogi State as if we are from Kogi State. But we are not from Kogi State. Most of the time, if you are asked, where are you from? You are dumbfounded, don't know what to say. Because if you say you are from Kogi State, Ibugi Igala, Ingaze Igala, Ingasu Igala. So you don't know whether to tell them whether you are from Kogi State or you are from Enugu State. Do you understand? So this has been a very, very big issue. And we have been facing so many challenges in Abugo and so many other communities in Kogi State where we have the Igbo speaking people there. Identity crisis. Right now, we are even scared of what we will tell our children if we give birth to them. One good job will be she will be a Kagwalish. In our Igbo, it's only Kogi State. All that back, we will call Shadanenti. So in our Igbo, Manajima is only Boniga. Onajuku, Degishi Boniga. Ehadubu Gobi. Ehadubu Ifani. Ehadubu Choma. Ehadubu Iwenegi. Michigan. Get all that Davanenti. So it has been a very big issue that we have been facing in Abugo and so many other communities in Kogi State. Talk of lack of government support. Election route now. Hada promisera user, promisera yok, promisera so many things. At the end of the day, they will bring maybe 2 cups of rice, 3 cups of rice and share just to get our votes. Once we are done voting, everybody disappear. We don't even hear from them again. Right now in my community, there is no working academic system. There is no working hospital. In fact, before you move from my community to a place where you get at least a decent hospital to treat yourself, you have to travel, enter, to even get bike that will carry you is a problem. Why? Because there is no good road that enters my community, Abugo. You talk of education, there is no standard, there is no decent primary school, nursery school, or secondary school. The younger generations are suffering because there is no provision for academic, there is no access for education. They are lacking these things, and the government doesn't get. Talk of insecurity. Talk of insecurity. Right now, kidnapping is on a rise in my community. Why? Because there is nobody to fight. There is nobody to even speak for us. If there is anybody from my community that has ambition in the political office, you can't do anything. Why? Because you cannot even speak Igala for you to go and contest in Kogi State, and you are not from Enugu for you to say you are from Enugu. Even though you speak Igbo, even though you can explain many things in Igbo, Isuchari Igbo, Ajobu Webishi, is now as Kogi State, Igala Mela or the local government. Mani going to Kogi State, Nibo. So we appreciate you all for remembering us, trying to hear our voice, to know that now we are mad, even though the hammer, and I want to use this opportunity to appreciate this great man here. He has been doing a wonderful work, coming to our place to interview, to make research, to ask questions. He was the one that discovered us. He was the one that even, reached out to me because I'm a student in the University of Nigeria, by God's grace. He reached out to me and said, this is the vision we have for the people of Abugo and other communities in Kogi State. Now you might be asking yourself, how did we end up in Kogi State? Like I said, when during the creation of states, we were already dwelling in those places. That is our forefathers were already living there before the creation of states. So when they were creating states, we all know how Ata of Igala fought for land. He even tried to collect Nsuka land, but the Igbos from those areas did not agree. So the ones he was able to carry, we now included all of us as part of Kogi State. But if you come to Afrugo, we are Igbo. Anyị na-aza ashwa eke ori ahọ nkwọ. Anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Anyị na-aza ihe Igbo. Anyị na-esi nri ndị Igbo. Anyị na-esi ọkpa. Anyị na-esi ichipa. Anyị na-esi eberebe. Anyị na-esi nri ndị Igbo. So anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Anyị na-esi ayara ya. Thank you. Now, Mbona Gwami Agwacha Muslim that there is already a working system for the creation of Anioma state, which is a very beautiful vision. And if it's achieved, it's going to help the Igbos in Delta State discover themselves and their identity. The same thing with this current Igbos in Kogi State. If that state can come tomorrow, it will help us get our identity back. We need our identity back. Mama wa tomorrow I shall make one man ni Igbo ni Igbo. Ina asu Igbo ya agobo hanya agobo ni. Ago ka mu chara ma na asa ma mte ishidu okay Igbo ni ko mali kwa men Kogi o. Ina asu Igbo. Igbo na Kogi mali kwa men Kogi just give water. So identity crisis is a very very big issue. Since I was a child, I usually ask my mom, "Where Banishi?" Like my mom died when I was very young. Like very, I think I was just a young when my dad died. So I couldn't confront my dad. I don't know him. It's my mom that I know, and she doesn't know much about our history. Until I began to ask questions, began to ask elders. Sometimes when I travel home, I will go to our schools to pray and to cry. Why? Because when I look at the younger generation, nobody is coming for them. Nobody is speaking for them. Nobody is defending. Nobody is trying to help them. Thank you so much for this privilege. God bless you.
After seeing this video, what comes to my mind is the Anioma people. Someone in Kogi is pleading, wishing that we can be emancipated just the same way they have been there. But yet, we are the one denying the opportunity. No wonder an artist said, those who have the cap does not have the head to wear it, and those who have the head does not have cap to wear. That is our problem. We have an opportunity to emancipate ourselves, but people like Asobo of Asaba, people like Okowa them, people like Honorable Mokolo, people like Honorable Nnamdi Ezechi are the one fighting against it. And they want us to be happy about it. I read the book of Elizabeth Isiche, an Asaba woman who firmly attend that they are Igbos. But present today, the Asaba is saying he's an Igala man. People that are living in Kogi State, sharing the same boundary with Igala people, are telling you who they are and how shameful it is for them to deny their Igboness. They are looking for a way to escape it. We they out of it are claiming what we are not. That's why I say that what is happening to us is called safe hate. I'm gonna make a video to tell you the reason why if we miss Anioma State today, we will miss it forever. I'm out of here, Joe.